In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to validate HTML and CSS in Dreamweaver. Let's get started by opening Dreamweaver. Launching the program is the first step in this process. Take a moment to locate the Dreamweaver icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you have Dreamweaver open, we can proceed to the next step. Now open your HTML or CSS file. This is the file you want to validate. You can do this by clicking on File in the top menu and then selecting Open. Browse to the location of your file and double-click it to open. Opening the correct file is crucial because it ensures you're working on the right project. Next up, go to the Window menu at the top of your Dreamweaver interface. From there, navigate to Results. This will open a new panel at the bottom of your screen. The Results panel is where you'll find essential tools to help you validate your code efficiently. Once the Results panel is open, you'll want to select the W3C validator. This validator is a powerful tool. It checks your HTML and CSS against W3C standards. Adhering to these standards is important because it ensures your website is accessible and functions properly across different browsers. With the W3C validator ready, decide what you want to validate. You have two options here: current document or entire site. If you're working on a single page, choose Current Document. If you want to check multiple pages, select Entire Site. This choice is important as it determines the scope of your validations. After making your selection, click on Validate. This step initiates the validation process. Dreamweaver will begin analyzing your code and look for any errors or warnings. At this point, it's a good time to relax for a moment while the software does its work. Dreamweaver will display any errors and warnings it finds. These messages are vital because they guide you toward improving your code. Errors indicate where your code doesn't meet standards, and warnings suggest potential improvements. Understanding these messages is key to refining your website's performance. To fix a specific issue, click on an error message. This will jump you directly to the problem line in your code. This feature saves time by helping you locate issues quickly, allowing you to focus on resolving them. Once you've identified the problem line, fix the code. Make the necessary changes as indicated by the error message. Correcting these issues is crucial for achieving a clean, efficient, and standards-compliant codebase. After addressing all the errors, run the validation process again. This step is to verify that your corrections have resolved the issues. Revalidating ensures that no new errors have been introduced while fixing the old ones. Finally, save your file. Click on File and then Save to preserve your changes. Saving your work is essential because it ensures that your validated and corrected code is stored properly. You will see a confirmation that your file has been saved. By following these steps, you have successfully validated your HTML and CSS in Dreamweaver. This process not only enhances your code quality but also boosts your site's compatibility across different platforms. Well done on taking these steps toward better web development practices.